Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Hope class students. Already we discussed about previous class shapes around you. Yes. There are two types of shapes. Is there 2D shapes and 3D shapes? 2D shapes. It consists length and breadth. Examples of 2D shape is square, rectangle, triangle, circle. 3D shapes. It consists length, breadth, and height. Examples of 3D shape is cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. These are all the 3D shapes. Now we will go to the in course book Sima page number 9. Different views of an object. Different views of an object. Ma compulsory each and everything you should write in your MCW. See, different views of an object. There are three types of views is there. First one is front view. Front view. Second one is side view. Side view. Third one is top view. So there are three types of views is there. First one front view, second one side view, third one top view. First front view. See, front view. So what is front view? Front view is the view of an object. Front view is the view of an object from the front. See, front view is the view of an object from the front. Suppose you will stand in front of that object, you will see that front view. So, front view. Front view is the view of an object from the front. Next one, side view. Second one is what? Side view. See, side view. Side view is the view of an object from the side. See, side view. Side view is the view of an object from the side. Suppose you will see that side object. Okay, side view is the view of an object from the side. Next, top view. Top view. Top view. Top view is the view of an object from the top. So, what we learned today? Different types of views of an object. There are three types of views is there. First one front view, side view and top view. Front view. What is front view? Front view is the view of an object from the front. Second one, side view. Side view is the view of an object from the side. Next, top view. Top view is the view of an object from the top. See, identify next. In course book page number 9, see. Identify the views of the below object. That boat looks like top view. Auto, side view. That's jeep, front view. Umbrella, top view. Okay, these are all views. Next one right, ma. You should write in your MCW all. Okay, open shapes, open shapes, open shapes. Open shapes means what? A gap can be seen between the a gap can be seen between the end points of the shape. Is called open shape. See, what is open shape? A gap can be seen. A gap can be seen between the end points of the shape is called open shape. See, this is the open shape. See, gap is there between the two end points. This one, open shape. This one also open shape. This one also open shape. See, example. Now you will write in your MCW compulsory. See, open shapes. A gap can be seen between the end points of the shape is called open shape. Next one, see, next one, closed shape. Closed shape. So, closed shape. What is closed shape? Closed shape. See, they are connected with one and another. They are connected with one and another, and hence there is no gap between the endpoints. Between the endpoints is called closed shape. See, they are connected with one and another, and hence there is no gap. There is no gap between the endpoints. Is called closed shape. So, what is the difference between open shape and closed shape? In closed shape, the gap can be seen between the endpoints, but in closed shape, no gap between the endpoints. See, example, suppose this is the closed shape. This is the closed shape. See, no gap. So they are connected with one and another. They are connected with one and another, and hence there is no gap between the endpoints. Is called closed shape. Okay, ma? So open shape and closed shape also completed. Next, radius of a circle. See, radius. Radius means the radius is the distance. The radius is the distance from the center to any point on the circle. See, the radius is the distance from the center to any point on the circle. This is the circle. See, this is the center. From center to the point on the circle. This one is radius. Okay, ma? So radius. The radius is the distance from the center to any point on the circle. Okay? So the plural of radius is the plural of radius is radian. So what is the plural of radius is radian. Once again I am repeating this one, radius. The radius is the distance from the center to any point of the circle. Okay? Okay, ma'am. Next class we will continue. These are all you will write in MCW. Okay, ma'am. Good morning, students. 4th class students. Last class we completed shapes around you this chapter explanation, right? Now we will go to workbook part. Open workbook page number 4. Workbook page number 4 open. Okay. See the first section. Identify the shape of each object and write its name in the given space. One is done for you. So first one, see, already they given the name, cuboid shape. Next one having popcorn. Popcorn with shape. That one is cone shape. C-O-N-E. Cone. Next, cup is there. The cup is cylinder shape. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder shape. Next, that box is there. That one is cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. That one is cube. No, that one is cuboid shape. C-U-B-I-O-D. Cuboid. Next, DVD player is there. That one also cuboid. C-U-B-I-O-D. Cuboid. Next, globe is there. That one is sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. Once again I am repeating that section only. See, popcorn is cone shape, cup is cylinder shape, that box is cuboid shape, DVD player also cuboid shape, and globe is sphere shape. Okay. Next, see, write the names. Write the names of any two objects which are available in the following spaces. In the following spaces. See, first one is cylinder. Cylinder, right? Cup and first one cup, second one chalk piece, cup and chalk piece. Next, cube is first one dice, second one ice cube, some ice cubes in cube shape is there. Next, cuboid, first one duster, second one is box, cuboid shape. Next, sphere. See, sphere, one laddu, second one sphere, laddu, ball. Next, cone, ice cream, birthday cake. See, write the names of any two objects which are available in the following spaces. In cylinder shape, cup and chalk piece is there. Cube means dice and ice cube is there. Cuboid means duster and box is there. Sphere, laddu and ball. Cone, ice cream cone and birthday cap. Okay. Next one. See, identify the objects with curved flat surfaces and separate them by placing in the appropriate box. So, this one curved surface. Next one, flat surface. See, that water tank, that one is curved surface. So, write in curved A. Chocolate is flat surface, so B, here B. That paint box is curved surface. In curved surface, C. Money is plain surface, D. That one tissue roller, E, curved surface. Cell phone, flat surface. That cooling bottle, covered surface, G. Gold, that one also flat, H. Birthday cap is covered surface. See, in curved surface, A, C, E, G, I. In flat surface, B, D, F, H. Okay, ma? Next one. See. Label the faces, edges and corners of the following solid shapes. First one having cube. So in that cube, what we identify? Faces, corners, edges. See, in cube, 6 faces, 8 corners, 12 edges. Okay, 6 faces, 8 corners, 12 edges. In cuboid, In cuboid, see, faces, corners, edges. In cuboid, 6 faces, right corners, 12 edges. Same. 6 faces, right corners and 12 edges. So in cube, 6 faces, right corners, 12 edges. See, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 12 edges. Okay, like this. Remaining cylinder and cone you only write. In your MCW already we wrote now that one. Next one. See page number 6. Write the following nets will form a cube whether folded. Tick them. So this one you only do this one. Complete the following table. Here shape, faces, number of faces, edges, corners, cylinder, 2 faces, 2 faces, okay man, in cylinder I think 2 faces, 0 corners and 0 edges I think. 1 second, this one I have done. Cube see, 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 corners. Cone, 1 flat surface, one corner and no edges. Cuboid is 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 corners. Sphere, 1 face, no corners, no edges. But this one only left, ma. I will continue next class. Okay? Compulsory should write in your workbook this all. Okay? Okay, ma. Thank you.